Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Crystal. The Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment. Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Crystal. The Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Grange, yesterday named Fort Rocky in Port Royal, Jamaica's first entertainment zone. Entertainment zones are designated areas in which any legal entertainment and sports activity can be staged any time of day or night unhindered. The declaration of this zone came as a result of its location away from residential areas, neutralizing the concern of noise nuisance while providing earning opportunities for persons in the entertainment business. Mr. Easy returns with his new single titled Privacy. The single is produced on the Hot It Up Records imprint, and Mr. Easy aims to reconnect with dancehall fans. The artist has a music career spanning over 15 years, climbing the international charts with his hit record Drive Me Crazy. Him never left, and the curvy diva can prove it. Today, dancehall artist Shano joins us here on ePrime to inform his fans that he never abandoned them. This after getting street cred from singer Yannick the Curvy Diva for helping her write the lyrics for her lifestyle hit single.
We have to big up Yannick Curvy Diva, you know what I mean? Yeah man, congratulations. Song going on fine, she even give me street credit. I make the people know say, yo, Shano do that. So you don't know, you have to respect her for that, you know what I mean? Me, who the company TV come say, me write that song because she already did. You know, everybody asks me, say, don't know have to put out the word. Big her up anywhere she there, out there.
The Lightning Flash artist updates us on his upcoming projects, including his new single, Last Days, which was released earlier this year.
People, that single right now, it's a shot, check it out, Shano Last Days. Follow up, mail for share, you know what I mean? And also look out for my EP. We'll be releasing the end part of January, you know what I mean? Lots of hot track, Shano and Tamili, Shano and Conscience. Acting is also going to be on it. So you don't know, it's a nice 8-track EP, trust me, it's going to be solid.
On the international scene, the new album from Keisha Cole is titled 1111 Reset. The album is now available on Apple Music. The project was announced recently by the artist as a follow-up to her 2014 album, Point of No Return. Keisha's album shares the tales of love, heartbreak and struggle to find her way back into the musical spotlight. The 11-track set features guest appearances from Remy Ma, Young Thug, French Montana and DJ Khaled. 1111 Reset is Keisha Cole's 7th album, her first though with Epic Records. And a bonus clip before the weekend, here's a look at Charlie Black performing at Jay-Z's Tidal X concert.
There is a beer, bubbling, baby. Yeah, you're a party animal. Yeah, you're acting all in the day. Yeah, you're a party animal. So what you want to try to do today? Yeah, you're a party animal. You dress so good, you look so good. Yeah, you're a very party. I'm going, I'm like half. I got a friend to get to this.
And that's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Crystal. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your weekend.